Hello, Nate. Good morning. Mega love chat. 6 viewers. Mega love chat. Hello, Nate. Good morning. Mega love shout out sa'yo. Thank you for coming. 6 viewers. Mega love shout out. Good morning. Mega love shout out. Nate. Me is me in the night. Okay. Wow. That's okay. 10 viewers. Mega love shout out. Good morning. Thank you. I don't understand your name, but please speak English to understand you. 12 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning. 12 viewers, mega love shout out. Twelve viewers. Mega love shout out. 16 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Mega love shout out, guys. Good morning. 18 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning, mega love shout out, guys. Mega love shout out. 18 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Mega love shout out. Hello everyone. 18 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning. Good morning, mega love shout out. 13 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning. Yeah, 13 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning. 13 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Mega love shout out. Happy Sunday, everyone. And also, have a wonderful Sunday with your family. It's family day, guys. And 17 viewers, mega love shout out. It's a church day and family day today. Yeah, 17 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning, everyone. Please like our live, guys. Thank you, guys. Please like our live. And thank you very much, guys. 12 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning. Good morning, mega love shout out. 13 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning. Thank you for coming to my live, guys. Please like our live. Basically, I wanted to say that it's night for me, but what is your country? Morning. Nate, here in the Philippines is morning. In your, Nate sa inyo ay evening. Yeah, Nate. In your place is evening. Good evening to you, Nate. Yan. 12 viewers, mega love shout out. Eleven viewers, mega love. Please like our live. 11 viewers, please like our live. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Eleven viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning, guys. Good